Are you having trouble with your Cuckoo door opening and then closing? Um, it could be this lever right here. If you have a Herbert movement or an antique movement that takes this type of trip lever, if the lever is too far apart from each other, it will open and close the door as it cuckoos. So you have to close up the gap on this lever to this lever. This lever activates the cuckoo. This lever trips to activate the cuckoo. And if you have a count wheel type system or a system that has a Herbert lever, Herbert is most common, but so aren't the antique cuckoo clocks with the count wheel type system. They have this type of system to activate the cuckoo, such as in the video that I'm fixing to play here.
Or the way it's acting. See it open and close on the half hour.
Again, if your door is coming open and then closing, it's because these two levers are too far apart from each other. Close up the gap on these two levers, and that should solve your problem. It could be other problems, but that is the most common issue. Now, if you have a Schatz cuckoo clock, that is the way they are designed, for the door to come open and then close each time it cuckoos. But for any other cuckoo clock, once the cuckoo opens the door should stay open until the clock is finished cuckooing. I hope this helps, and God bless.